everyone, and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So today we're back over at the new house and we are going to start demoing out some walls today. I am so excited. Okay, so my husband Jalen just got here. First step, we're taking all the covers off of these switches, and then we're gonna start knocking down these walls. I think we're gonna start off by knocking this one right here.
I want to video you and you take the hammer and just smack a hole in it, okay?
Okay.
Just bust it in.
Okay.
Harder.
That's fun. We've made some progress so far. Not too much progress, but hey, it's something. But we forgot the ladder. How can we forget the ladder, babe? I wanted to do a quick voiceover here because a couple of you were concerned that these were load-bearing walls, and of course we got that checked out before we just started ripping them down. Our inspector crawled up in the attic and he said they were not load-bearing. My husband also said they weren't load-bearing, and we had a contractor who said they weren't load-bearing. So we were all good to go to knock all of these out. We're still going to put a beam across the ceiling, but of course we got it all checked that it was not load-bearing before we knocked all these down. And also stay tuned until the end of the video because I'm going to walk you through the whole house and show you everything that we've gotten done so far. So stay tuned for that.
That's a perfect board.
Trying to decide if we should, well, we want to for sure, but he just wants to check in there first to knock out this ceiling right here, just because it kind of looks funny that this is down low and then everything else is open.
No, everything's attached to the main frame, which is up here.
progress that we've made so far. Got all of this knocked out, giant mess on the floor to clean up. And we're gonna lift up this ceiling over here, but it's looking good. Okay, we had a quick lunch break. We got a dumpster dropped off, and now we're back at it again. Jalen is working at ripping out the ceiling over here. Now I'm standing back in the hallway, and now you can see just like all the way out into the kitchen now when you're standing here in the hallway, which is awesome. But we're trying to decide what to do about these shelves right here, because we were gonna just take this wall out right here, but I don't know if we want to do that now. So we might just take these shelves out, and then I could just do some photos here on this little indented wall. And that might work out a little bit better. It'll help it to feel a little bit more open if these shelves are gone, and then, yeah, it should be fine. But Jalen pretty much has this whole ceiling demolished here. Demo day one is complete, and we are heading back to our townhouse to get showers because we're both just like covered in dust and insulation and everything. We're gonna get some showers, and then we're gonna head into town. We need like shovel, wheelbarrow, step ladder, like all those types of things we're gonna go grab in town before we have our next demo day. Okay, Jalen got all these boards taken down and this middle post out, and now I have been pulling up trim. I got the whole dining room done, and now I'm working on this area over here using the crowbar and the hammer. So we finished all the demo out in the main area, and the next, I think the only other place that we're gonna demo in the house is in this master bathroom. I'm looking all kinds of crazy, but it's been a busy day. So I had told you guys before what we're gonna be taking out in here, this closet, a wall. We're definitely pulling this medicine cabinet out of the wall. What the question is, if we're taking this wall out?
Yeah, or just take the door jam out and leave the hole this big, or we take it out all the way to the back wall.
Well, if we're doing a freestanding tub here, then do you want a little bit of the wall to be in front of it?
Probably.
As long as there's no door here, I mean.
take this off and we'll just wrap drywall around it and it'll just be a wall.
It's gonna be the perfect. A touch is gonna be perfect right there.
No idea what you're putting in now.
While Jalen's in there working on that, I'm gonna attempt to take down this shelf right here on this wall in the master bedroom. How's it going in here, babe?
Huh?
You got it all done?
Yeah.
Awesome. Got the whole wall worked out.
Should be a perfect spot for a tub and tile the
I
floor.
know.
Tile halfway up the wall or something.
Hey everyone, so I'm back up here at the house today, and I thought before I end this video, I'm just gonna walk you through the house and show you what all demoing that we got done. We got a bunch, basically all of the demoing done. We got it all cleaned up. You can see back here all of the dust on the countertop and the stove and everything. That goes to show you that we did a ton of demoing. So I'm just gonna walk you through, show you everything that we got done. Okay, so like you saw, the first thing that we did was to knock out all of these arched walls right here. Look how big and open this room is now. It's so awesome. I love that when you walk in the front door, you can see right into the kitchen, the dining room, the living room over here, just one big open room. Here's the view standing over here by the sliding doors. You can see all these walls are gone. And then right over here, this ceiling right above the front door was like way lower than all the other ceiling here in the main area of the house. So we decided to just go ahead and knock that out and raise the ceiling up a little bit just so that it would be the same height as all of the rest of the ceiling. Then I removed all of the trim here in the dining room, the living room, and the kitchen and back the hallway. And I don't know if you guys remember from the house tour, but this doorway was like really low and arched, and my husband literally almost had to duck his head to walk through the door. So we just went ahead and opened that up back to what the original door frame used to be before they made it an arch. And now it brings so much more light into the kitchen. And then we did decide to leave this little archway here because it's right across the room from that archway over there that I decided to leave, because I figured that would just be neat to leave that. It adds a little bit of character to the house, kind of helps you to remember what the house used to be like. And I think it'll just look neat when I put a bench in there in the mirror just to have it rounded like that. And like I said, I got all this trim pulled up around here. This was definitely the biggest job out here, was raising up the ceiling and knocking out all of these walls. And we've got a contractor and an electrician coming today. The electrician is going to rewire all of this stuff down into the wall, and then the contractor is coming to give us an estimate on putting up drywall and smoothing out the walls and the ceilings and stuff. Back here in the hallway, I knocked out all of these shelves. I decided I just didn't want the shelves back here, and I'm going to do like some family pictures in this indent. We decided to leave this here just because it would be a pain to knock this out because it's like one of the main posts coming down. Ended up just deciding to leave it, just took out the shelves. And now I can't decide if I want to eliminate this down here or just drywall over it and leave it as like a little bench right here. What do you guys think? Should I just knock it out completely? So I don't know. I am going to have a bench in here because for right as you walk in the front door. So I don't know if I should just get rid of this. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. So some major changes happened to this master bathroom. We took out the door frame, everything. And now we're just going to drywall this and just leave it one big opening to walk into the master bathroom. We decided to eliminate the door because you've got a door opening here. You've got closet doors over here. And then you had the door here to the bathroom. And it was just too many doors. We completely knocked out this whole closet that was here, this wall, and now it is just one big open space right here. This is going to be the perfect spot to put the big freestanding tub, and the next big major thing that's going to happen in here is that we have to drill a hole down into the concrete for the drain for the tub, which is probably going to be one of the biggest jobs. But I'll probably have the spigot for the tub coming out of this wall, since the shower head is coming out of this wall on the other side as well. The next big thing is going to be to take out the shower, drill a hole for the drain for the tub, and then we can do all of the tiling and stuff in here. But there's definitely a lot more work to go, but I'm really happy with the progress that we've made so far, just getting all of this knocked out, making it feel so much more open in here. And yesterday, me and my husband came up with a solution for all of these closets. If you saw in the empty house tour, I was saying how we didn't know what to do because this wall is just like 4 closets, but we've come up with a solution, and I'm excited to share with you guys what we're gonna do over here. And yesterday I took this giant monster shelf off the wall, and I pulled all of the nails and the screws out of these walls, and I pulled up all of the trim in here. So this room is ready to be smoothed out and retextured, painted, and then we can get flooring and trim put in here and yeah, work on these closets. Okay, so that is everything that we got done, and I would say we got quite a bit done in just 2 days for it being only me and Jalen doing the demoing. Hopefully the contractor and the electrician can come out today, and I could stay up here at the house and finish pulling off the trim like back the hallway and in the rest of the bedrooms. But I have to head back home and film a cleaning video because the townhouse is just a disaster. It's a mess, so it's time to film a cleaning video and get it cleaned up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this first renovation video. Stay tuned for more videos to come as we continue to renovate this house and give it a facelift. I'm just seeing this all one big open room just makes us both so excited for what it's gonna look like when we're done. Just exciting times, so stay tuned. Be sure that you're subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my